Alright, welcome back to another episode. We're on the lake again. And we finally got situated. It's pretty windy out today, so we had a big old kite out here on the lake. That was fun, wasn't it, Carver?
Oh yeah, that was a little interesting.
But we got her all staked down. Finally got some holes drilled in here. And we've got
a few fish in the
four keepers right now. It's like, I don't know, we got out here at like 5:30 in the morning. Didn't mark any. And marked a few, and we've caught some. We threw probably 10 back, I suppose. But we finally are out here, and I got a bobber out with a minnow, and Carver's got a bobber out with a minnow. Gosh, that was a lot of fish.
How many fish do you have?
I think I got one on my bobber.
Is he on there?
I think I have one on my screen. I've got two.
Another one on the old bobber.
Another keeper.
He has it so far down his throat. Because he was on there the entire time. No, I got it. No, he's an eater. Just gotta make sure your minnow's alive. There's a fish sitting there waiting for it. Did you get it? Sitting there waiting for that freaking thing.
It's like, come on, where's Tanner? Come on.
It's too small. Destroyed my minnow again. Are you kidding me? Bigger one. I can't even.
Alright, shine me your light over here.
It's freaking like they're all just waiting for it. I mean, they just sit there. I had like 3 fish. There's a fish on this pole too. Are you kidding me?
Real?
God dang it, I lost it.
Where is it?
Here you
Did
go.
you kill it?
No, I didn't even do anything to it.
There we go.
Go. Go.
Little itty bitty.
He got
Take
it.
her.
He just needed spanking.
Carver's got one. Little
Gosh
baby.
dang fish. Holy cow, this is a big one. Here he comes. I don't really know what's going on here.
There we go.
My bobber's going.
Line wrapped up and everything. Go.
You need help? Get your bobber.
Is he on
Yeah, get it.
there? Dang. That's a big fish.
Is it? Good.
Yeah.
Show it to the camera, hold on. Oh, it just got hammered. Show it.
Big crappie. Nice one.
Come on. There we go.
Nice one.
That's eater. There's another one. Quick. 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 Go eat the minnow. Alright, he disappeared, so he's probably on one of the minnows.
Might.
Another one.
Yeah, he's on there.
No! That one's too small anymore. Screw these fish, they're too small.
Stinker!
Good lord.
That's the one in the middle. Huh?
Jeez.
I choose you.
Holy crap.
I got another one coming. Here he comes. Look, I got another one.
That's a big one. There's a nice one. There's another one. God. Throwing my stuff around, these. Go, 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 go.
Hold on. One thing.
He's got it. Nice one.
Yeah. Big crap, big crap. Nice crappie. Yeah. Yes, son. Whoop.
Good one.
Nice crappie.
I missed the one that came up and hit me.
Good crappie.
Oh my gosh.
Little baby fish.
Just eat it. If you're gonna eat it, just eat it now. Try and tie him over.
Okay, he's still alive, so I'm gonna go back now. Well, welcome back to another episode. We fished the lake this morning and caught Jack Diddley squat. So we're just gonna fish the pond the rest of the day, and we've been catching a couple bluegills and quite a few crappies. Big one. Oh! Oh, come here! Oh my gosh! Carver! This thing is huge! Oh my gosh! Goodness sakes!
Holy!
Is that 3 feet?
3. Jeez.
14 or 15 probably?
Good lord. Nice fish. He doesn't even have a whole lot of belly to him.
No.
Jeez Louise.
What's that? Big fish. There he goes. Go on, buddy. There's more fish down there. God dang, that thing is huge. There's a bunch of fish. Oh my gosh, I just put down this hole. There's more of them down there. Oh, he took my plastic, you freak. Another crappie. There we go. There we go. Big bluegill there. What on earth? Oh, he's got me. Crappie. Crappie. Nice crappie. Go on, buddy. Good job. He's gonna eat it too. Oh yeah. Crappie. Little crappie. Carver's got one. Carver's got a big one. Another one down there. Crappie. Freaking inhaled it. That just broke. Oh, came in on me. There we go. What is this? Oh my chungus bluegill. Big chungus bluegill. Phew. Anyway. Oh, yep. Yep. What we got ourselves here? Oh no, bluegill. Good. Bluegill. Big chungus. Ah! No, we're not keeping you. We're not keeping you. We're not keeping you. Go. Oh, in the hole. There we go.